Pyth is finally listed on Bitget as their grand launching was occurring yesterday with a really jumbo volume coming in, and as usual Bitget has an event in store for you. This is indeed one big news to start this week. So what exactly is the event? In today's video we will delve into the detail of this event. Before the event detail, let's go in for some token overview. The largest first-party oracle for global financial data is the Pyth network. Pyth provides over 40 blockchains with real-time market data for commodities, stocks, FX, and cryptocurrency. Over 90 significant market players designed to satisfy DeFi's requirements for accuracy, dependability, and security. The Pyth network is an oracle that makes data from the financial markets that was previously only available to DeFi and the general public available. Pyth aims to empower data owners and users by making every asset price accessible on every chain for everyone. Pyth's current area of expertise is pricing data for commodities, FX, stocks, and cryptocurrency. To celebrate Pyth listing, Bitget hosts an exclusive event. Join us and win your share of 10,000 USDT. Here are the category of rewards in this event. 1. New user registration and KYC, share 2,000 USDT. During the event, new users who register and complete KYC verification will have the opportunity to share a prize pool of 2,000 USDT. The first 1,000 users to register and complete KYC will be eligible to share the rewards on a first-come, first-served basis. 2. Deposit Pyth, share 4,000 USDT. Users who net deposit a minimum of $100 worth of Pyth during the event will have the chance to share a prize pool of 4,000 USDT. The first 1,000 users to meet the criteria will share the rewards on a first-come, first-served basis. 3. Trade Pyth, share 4,000 USDT. During the event, users who achieve a Pyth/USDT spot trading volume of at least 100 USDT will have the opportunity to share a prize pool of 4,000 USDT. The first 1,000 users to meet the trading volume requirement will share the rewards on a first-come, first-served basis. The event will be running from November 20th, 2200 hours to November 23rd, 2200 hours, UTC+8. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.